Let's determine if 96 is divisible by 16. To solve this, we need to check if 96 can be divided by 16 without leaving any remainder. Let's perform the division of 96 divided by 16. We can write this as a division problem. Let's visualize this with rectangles. Here we have 96 units. We want to group these into sets of 16. When we divide 96 by 16, we get exactly 6 groups. This means that 96 equals 16 times 6. Since we got exactly 6 groups with no units left over, this means there is no remainder. Let's look at our options. The first option says yes because 96 equals 16.7. This is incorrect because 16.7 times 16 is not 96. The second option says yes because 6 equals 96. This is clearly incorrect as 6 does not equal 96. The third option says yes because 96 equals 16 times 6. This is correct. The fourth option says no because 16 is not a divisor of 96. This is incorrect because we just proved 16 is a divisor. The fifth option says no because 96 is not a multiple of 16. This is also incorrect because we showed 96 is a multiple of 16. Therefore, 96 is divisible by 16 because 96 equals 16 times 6 with no remainder.